Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to use two telegrams in one mobile. Firstly guys, this is so simple, but what you need to do is to go on your left upper side and click for this side and just tap on the right side by the tick on go. Then as you can see here it is my account, but if I want to add another account I need just to select the second selection. Click and select it. And here you should fulfill all this information. Also guys, I have an option to go on the browser and type for Telegram, and then I go on my right upper side on the three dots icon and choose for desktop side. You need just to wait. Now you need to zoom in and then go for Telegram. You'll need to wait it, and here guys, as you can see, they're giving you an option to open your Telegram by your phone, and also they're giving you a chance to get a home screen tab for Telegram and go log in by phone number. But before you do that guys, you need to make sure that you have created the second account as we have told you, and after that you're gonna log in into this site, and then guys, you will be available to use two telegrams in one mobile. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.